Sharing resources is a very feasible way to access data in today's corporations. It could be done in a way that is reliable and secure, so important information is not compromised. Corporations save a lot of money by sharing resources because back in the day you would have to actually invest individually to actually have the resources. Today you don't have to do that anymore. You can resources. So if you have different nodes of different computers, everybody has to have his own resources there to access information and somehow manually transfer from one to the other. Today we don't have to do that anymore, fortunately. What we would do today is we could actually have different computers in the network, and we would have the resources here, for example, so everybody now can access those resources. So these are nodes, right? Nodes. And these are the resources. So now everybody's accessing the resources and by sharing these amongst everybody in the network. And that's what we usually do. This is what I would like to talk about today. This way I can show you how to share, for example, a drive in a network, for example, that has 4 computers. You can do this in any type of network. You can do this in Active Directory networks or peer-to-peer or in a home network. I think I'm going to show you how to do that in a home type of network. But in an Active Directory network it could be done the same way, but it's more complex. It's more secure, more reliable, but it's also more complex. So I want to show you a picture of one of those drives. This is the back of it, the interface to it, and it's called NAS, NAES, Network Access System, and it allows you to actually plug in to the Ethernet here, via Ethernet to your router, and every computer in that network can actually access the information here. So all you need is a power connection and the Ethernet connection to the drive there, just the one. And once you do that, you can actually you just plug it into a computer when you first get it, read the instructions, check the IP address of the device, and put your computer, the temporary computer that is connected to it before configuration, to the right network. So once you're connected to the drive, you can open a browser in your Windows in your computer and type in the IP address of the network drive, and the browser should render the home page of that particular drive. And what you do is from there you can go to the server option inside the interface, the home page there, and once you're there you can actually provide with the name of the drive, the share. For example, I usually do public, and you can give username and passwords to it according to the users that you have, and go from there. You can also actually create a directory tree from there and create different directories from the shared drive, which is this here. It's your chair. Once you go over there, and you can do, for example, accounting, you can do HR, you can also do production here. And let's say you have 4 users. You have Sean, you have Ray, and Adam. And you can actually provide, for example, do read only to all. So everybody here has access to these, but only in a read-only mode. The HR, for example, can have read and write to all. Read and write to all. And that way, everybody here has read and write access to this directory here. And then production can only be, let's say, read-only as well. So you give all these permissions for each directory here, so that way everybody has his own permissions. Not everybody, but this is just an example. You can actually provide with different username and password for every one of those directories that contains these names. So Sean will be only accessing accounting, Ray, HR, and Adam production, and that will be another example. And like I said, this is just the home share on the network. Active Directory provides with more reliability and security, but it's more complex. So we don't want to go there right now, but that's another option. That's a preferred option actually that I would do in this case. So I hope this is helpful for everybody, and one day you could probably do this by yourself in your network. Thank you very much.